So we would wait to the extent that that crime, the report of that crime and the evidence behind it is presented to a district attorney's office. We evaluate everything. We evaluate the quality of the evidence, whether or not there's footage for it, video footage. We'll look to see if there's any of that. We'll look at any witness statements that are provided.
I have it available to you, and I've given it to Chief McDonald.
Then Chief McDonald at some point will have one of his detectives present a report to the district attorney's office. At that point, we do the evaluation we do in every case, and we measure the type of evidence. Can we get beyond a reasonable doubt to prove the crimes committed, who committed the crimes, and then what exact crimes we believe we can successfully prosecute in court. So that'll be the normal way we go about it, no different for that particular case.
Thank you.
Any last questions?
Easy one, promise.
We have an easy question. Okay, we're going to end with an easy question then.
Stunning, right? It's either for you or Chief Hamilton. Just the way you were describing the Rubio case before, it sounded like guy sets fire, allegedly, cops and firefighters respond, guy throws fireworks at them, allegedly. Do you guys believe he was luring people to be attacked, or it was just kind of a series of events that happened that way?
So I don't want to comment on the specifics of the case. We know kind of what the intent was in terms of deployment of those very dangerous fireworks. And again, as our chief has said, as Chief McDonald has said, these fireworks literally can kill people and cause life-changing, debilitating injuries and grave bodily injury. We take all of those cases very seriously. I'm not going to comment on this specific case at this time as it continues under investigation. But rest assured that when all that information is presented to the district attorney's office, we will seek the maximum consequences in that case.
And then I'll add just very briefly, and that's in the court of law is where you're going to get all the facts fleshed out. That's where we argue our cases in the court of law. Today, again, we are giving very general highlights of cases for the public to understand what charges individuals have been charged with. Also making it very clear to the public and to potential criminals that these are the charges that they could be facing if they choose to engage in this criminal conduct. So let me stop right there. Let me invite Assistant District Attorney Maria Ramirez up. She'll give remarks in Spanish, and then we'll conclude.